Sonographers observe the fetal heart for variations or abnormalities of position, size, function, rhythm, and chamber size or vessel size proportion. This case was referred for disproportion at 21 weeks on the routine growth scan. Here you can see that the right ventricle is quite larger than the left ventricle. A good way to prove that is an M mode. So here we are looking through the septum, and notice right away that the left ventricle is smaller than the right ventricle, but also that there's paradoxical septal motion. Now we'll look at the heart to see what the function looks like, and the function looks good, the size looks good, but there may be a small conoventricular ventricular septal defect. Also, you'll notice that the aorta is quite a bit smaller than the pulmonary artery. Now, the pulmonary artery should always be larger than the aorta, but it shouldn't be in disproportion such as this, which is approximately the pulmonary artery being 2 times the size of the aorta. Here we see an odd structure that seems to be on the left. And it's in the reverse view here. We see the left SVC coming to the coronary sinus and then dumping into the right atrium. Here we're seeing, again with the sagittal views, the sizes of the aortic arch, which is relatively small, and the main pulmonary artery, which is relatively big. Again, there's the main pulmonary artery and the ascending aorta. Note the difference between the isthmus and the descending aorta. There's almost a break there. This is a coarc pattern. And here we see again the 3-vessel, actually 4-vessel view. Note the linear structure of the left SVC and the round right SVC. Note the dilated coronary sinus into the left atrium. Dilated ductus arteriosus. And there's the trachea. And that shows the isthmus compared to the ductus arteriosus. So our findings are disproportion. We found a small VSD. We found a coarctation, and we found a left SVC. Thank you.